channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you
how you can prepare ginger cream easily at home. This ginger cream is very effective in removing your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, acne scars and dark spots marks easily and permanently at home with just few uses of this homemade ginger cream. This ginger cream is 100% natural and is 100% effective in making your skin spotless, clear and much glowing and radiant than before. So now let's see how to prepare this highly effective ginger cream. So to prepare this ginger cream, we firstly gonna need ginger juice, and to prepare this ginger juice, we firstly have to take a small amount of ginger and then peel the ginger or remove the outer skin of the ginger. After peeling the ginger, you have to cut the ginger into small pieces and put it into mortar and pestle. And then crush the ginger really nicely to make a fine paste. And after crushing the ginger really nicely, your ginger paste will look like this. And now we have to strain this ginger paste and take out all the ginger juice out of it. And for that we are using a cotton cloth and put all the ginger paste on it and then squeeze it nicely to take out all the ginger juice out of it. And after squeezing ginger paste nicely, your ginger juice is ready and it will look like this. And now let's see how to prepare this ginger cream with the help of the ginger juice. So to prepare the ginger cream, you firstly have to add approx 1 tablespoon ginger juice in a clean bowl. After that we have to add 1 tablespoon honey in it. Then we will add 1 teaspoon sweet almond oil in it. And now we will mix all these 3 ingredients really nicely to make a smooth mixture. And after mixing all these ingredients really nicely, now it's time to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And you just have to add 2 teaspoon aloe vera gel in it, and then again mix everything really nicely to make a smooth, creamy and a lump-free paste. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade ginger cream is ready and it will look like this. This ginger cream is 100% effective in removing your dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation easily and permanently at home within just few days, as it contains 100% natural and effective ingredients which works wonders on your skin and makes your skin spotless, clear and much glowing and radiant than before. And the consistency of this cream should be medium, neither so thick and nor so runny, and it should be so much creamy and fluffy like I'm showing you in the video. So now let me tell you how to store this 100% natural and effective homemade ginger cream. And the procedure to store this cream is very easy and simple. Just store this cream in any airtight container. And here I'm just transferring this cream into the small airtight container. And you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 15 to 20 days. This homemade ginger cream is a homemade solution to almost all your skin related issues. It contains all the ingredients which works wonders on your skin and improves your skin, making it even toned, spotless, clear and glowing and radiant. This cream contains ginger, which is its main ingredient, and ginger contains around 40 antioxidants compounds that protect against aging, dark spots, wrinkles and fine lines. It improves the appearance of your skin by removing the toxins and stimulating the circulation of the blood, delivering the more nutrients to the skin. It improves the elasticity of your skin, making your skin more firm and youthful. Ginger is a powerful antiseptic and cleansing agent which helps in cleaning the skin and keeping it smooth, clear and free of blemishes. It is also the best natural acne fighting weapon as it minimizes the rate of acne formation and eruption by killing and clearing the acne causing bacteria. Ginger is best in removing your hyperpigmentation and pigmentation problem as it contains a lot of antibacterial and antiseptic properties which completely removes your pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, dark spots and acne blemishes problem within just few uses of this homemade natural cream. So now let me tell you the procedure to use this cream to get effective results within few days. So the method to use this cream is very easy and simple. You just need to take a little amount of this cream and then apply it all over your skin and then massage it in circular motions for about 30 to 45 seconds. Just gently massage this cream all over your skin so that your skin completely absorbs this cream and gives you a radiant, glowing and a youthful effect. And after applying this cream, just leave it overnight. And for the best results, you have to use this cream twice in a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed, for at least 3 to 5 days to get best and effective results on your skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.